Welcome to the Multimedia Labs. My name is Kelly Egan. I'm the lead instructional media coordinator here. The Multimedia Labs are a resource for all the students at Brown. They are designed as a place to both learn and create with technology. So we cover a wide variety of services, including video and audio, printing, animation, virtual reality, and we try to empower students to use those tools. I like to think of the Multimedia Labs as a space for creative technology. So not only do we have creative tools that you can use, but we try to think of ways to use technology creatively. And one of the ways that we do that is that we have both a staff and a community who are interested in helping people discover that. Hope to see you soon at the Multimedia Labs.